Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to save seeds from my tomatoes. Now today I'm going to save the seeds from 42-day tomatoes, but this works with any heirloom tomato. You do not want to really save the seeds from hybrids because the seeds may not grow to be the true type of plant that you saved it from. It will go back to maybe its genetic background and you may end up with completely different tomatoes. So you want to save them from the heirloom variety. Now it's a very simple step and it'll save you lots and lots of money. So the first thing you do is you have to find a ripe red tomato. You don't want to use a green one. And if you're doing yellow tomatoes, make sure it's a ripe yellow tomato. Whatever color it's supposed to be, make sure it's ripe. So get that clarified first. So I like to use the ones that are the larger ones that I can find. Now this is a little 42-day tomato. They grow from 1 to 4 ounces, so this is on the large size. Now what happens occasionally is that your tomato will split. I don't like to use split tomatoes, mainly because they have a tendency to get bacteria in them quicker. So unless you know exactly how long they've been split, it's best to not use them as far as I'm concerned. So I use my split ones that are huge, and this is all you have to do. You'll need a cup and you'll need your tomato. And you just simply open your tomato. Try not to get it over you. And see all these seeds in here? Just scoop them out into the cup. It doesn't matter if you get the pulp or anything. Just get as many of the seeds out as you possibly can. I try to leave the bulky stuff into the tomato and not get it in here. But you want to get all these seeds. Just put them in your cup. And really all you probably need for a small garden is 1 tomato. Okay, see all those seeds? So get the seeds out of them. Discard this part. Now you're going to add water. Add your water to it. Leave the seeds in there for 2 to 3 days. Stir them twice a day. Just get your hand in there and stir them. What you want to do is when these seeds come out, they have this gel around them. This gel prevents them from sprouting while they're inside the tomato. So as this ferments, the seeds separate from it. And you can, once they get separated after 2 or 3 days, you run them through a screen and you end up with your regular seeds. And they don't have the gel around them. So then what you do is you put them out on a paper towel and leave them dry. And they have to be completely dry. And after they dry, you can either put them in a plastic jar, a Ziploc bag, or I make these little envelopes, which I label, this is a 42-day tomato. And then on the back, I put all the information. Days to maturity, 42. Start them indoors, 1/4 inch deep. Space them 36 inches apart. They need faux sun. They grow 4 to 5 feet tall. The fruit is from 1 to 4 ounces. Small, bright red, cherry size. Can be pointed on the end. And they are determinate type and they're a heirloom. Now, I told you earlier that this could save you money. I looked up the price of the seeds last year and it turned out that for 50 seeds it costs $7.25. I have 94 seeds from this batch and that averages out to be over $14 worth of seeds in this little package that I would have had to buy. So it does save you money to save your seeds. So I hope you've learned something from this video. Not everyone saves seeds. I didn't save them for a long time. But it's so easy. And all you have to do is let one plant go, or get one overly ripe tomato and get the seeds out of it. And it'll save you money. And it's fun. So like, share, subscribe if you learned anything. If you know anybody that's gardening that wants to try saving seeds, go ahead and share this video with them. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.